Hi everyone and welcome to the Eva channel. My name is Marwa, aka Miss English Teacher. Have you heard of Chat GPT? Well, apparently it's this amazing tool. And what we decided to do for today's video is test out 3 or 4 apps and we will answer together the question, can Chat GPT replace your English teacher? Let's start with the first app. Now I'm going to ask a first question. Can you explain the past perfect? It's used to describe actions or events that had already happened before another action or event in the past. For example, I had already eaten breakfast before I went to work. In this sentence, the action of eating breakfast was completed before going to work. So far, this explanation is pretty good. However, this is something that you can read, use in a textbook, but I'm not so sure how clear or how easy to understand it will be for a student. Especially, listen to this. The past perfect tense is often used in conjunction with another past tense, such as the simple past, to show the order of events in the past. Well, I know what it means, but was this enough for you? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Let's ask for more examples. Okay, they had already left when we arrived at the party. He had studied for the exam for hours before he took it. Yeah, all of these examples are good examples. Okay, now let's try and trick it and ask a question. I want to lay down. Is this correct? Let's see the answer. I want to lay down is grammatically correct. Lay down is a phrasal verb that means to recline or rest in a horizontal position. However, if you're using it in the present tense and referring to yourself, you might want to use the reflexive pronoun myself for clarity and say, I want to lay myself down. I'm not sure if any native speaker would say this. You should probably say, I want to lie down, not lay myself down. It sounds awkward. Okay, so I think they pointed out the mistake, but in a weird way. Let's ask another question. I feel like lying down. Okay? I feel like lying down is grammatically correct, as lying is the correct present form of the verb to lie. However, laying is a common mistake people make, as it is the present participle. Okay, let me explain to you what this Chat GPT is trying to say. So we have 2 verbs. The first verb that is to lie. And by the way, the past is going to be lay, and the past participle is going to be lain. And this verb does not require an object. So I'm going to say, I want to lie down. Now, lay, on the other hand, requires an object. And its past is laid, and the past participle is laid. And usually people confuse the second form of to lie, that is lay, with the verb lay that needs an object. For example, you're going to lay the baby down, but you yourself, you're gonna lie down. Okay, let's ask another question. The woman which works here is from China. Is this sentence correct? Let's see the answer. The sentence has a minor grammatical error. It should be written as the woman who works here is from China. The word which is used to refer to things, whereas who is used to refer to people. Since the sentence is referring to a woman, we should use who instead of which. Perfect. Okay, 10 out of 10 for this question. This is exactly how a person would have explained it. Super. Okay, now let's see if this app can answer a pronunciation question. The pronunciation of preferably is preferably. Okay, clear. Where's the stress? You know, the stress. The stress in the word preferably falls on the second syllable for. If it falls on the second syllable, then I would say preferably, probably. But that's not how you say it. Let's check another dictionary, like Cambridge.
Preferably.
Preferably.
See, actually the way it was written, that was correct. But when I asked about the stress, the information is not correct, but still it shows me, I wouldn't use it for pronunciation. Okay, let's ask one more question. The police is or are. The correct usage is the police are. The police is a plural noun, so it should be followed by a plural verb. Okay, that's pretty neat. How about this? What do people say about Eva, the English learning app? Eva Learn English app has generally positive reviews from users on both the App Store and Google Play. Here are some common themes for user reviews. Easy to use. Many users appreciate the app's user-friendly interface and intuitive design. Effective learning. Several users have noted that the app has helped them improve their English language skills significantly. Personalized learning. Fun and engaging. Overall, Eva Learn English app is well liked by users and is considered a useful tool for improving English language skills. What are you waiting for, guys? You heard it, you heard the app. So go ahead. You can find the link to the Eva app in the description. Okay, so let's answer the question, can Chat GPT replace your teacher? I think Chat GPT provides you a great, fast summary of information that is available online. And since it lacks the human touch, it may not really replace your teacher. At least that's what I think. Let me know if you agree. Thank you for watching today's video. In my next video, we will work on improving your listening skills with sex education. So go ahead, check it.